Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the workbook and going straight to the worksheet that prints with a heading you want gone. Select the exact header row or rows. This matters because Excel treats them as print titles. Once done, make sure the sheet isn't protected so you can change page setup. You're taking the first actionable step. Identify and select the printed header so the next commands affect the correct rows. Next, you open Page Layout and click Print Titles. This is where Excel stores the rows that repeat as a printed heading. Look at the rows to repeat at top field. If it contains a reference, clear it entirely so nothing repeats. Once cleared, click OK and immediately use Print Preview to confirm the heading no longer repeats. This step shows why clearing the field is effective and prevents accidental. Finally, save your workbook and test by printing or viewing a multi-page print preview to ensure the heading is gone. If the header still appears, check for frozen panes or manual page breaks that mimic a heading and unfreeze or adjust them. Also inspect named ranges or macros. Sometimes VBA or defined print titles reapply the rows. If you find a macro, disable or edit it. Once removed, recheck print titles to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.